So how do you read a label? The three most important things on the label are the serving size, the number of servings per container, and all the nutrition information under that line is for one serving. If I look at one thing, it's calories. This is 1 cup, 3/4 of a cup, half a cup, and 1/4 of a cup. Take a picture of them in your mind. All measurements are level, not heaping. If the package says that 1 half-cup serving is 100 calories, and there are 4 servings in the package, if you have 2 servings, half the package, it's 200 calories. If you eat the whole package, all 4 servings, it's 100 times 4, which is 400 calories. That just says, do I want to do it? It's either yes, heck no, or I'll have some. And that's until you're 100 years old. Always read the label. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.